Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Windows 11 as well as Windows 10 Windows shuttering and lagging issue. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all in the search box, go to your settings, go to your system, go to your troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters. After that, click on a video playback, run it. After that, close it. I hope your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in right click on a start menu and go to your device manager. After that, go select a display adapter, right click and update driver. Click on search automated from drivers. Click on such update drivers on Windows Update. So if any update is available, then check the updates and download and install in your PC. Close it. After that, I hope your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that go to your settings of your Windows, go to your app sections, and after doing this, that go to your installed apps. Go to your system display. Go to your graphics. Now auto HDR is turn off, and once again turn on it, close it, and after that restart your computer. I am sure that after doing this that your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.